Hello everyone. Today I just got this story from one of my Thai friends in English practicing group. Please follow me and read together. The Sound of Water, author Shalini Srinivasan. The name sounds as India, but I'm not sure. Illustrator Debasmita Dasgupta. It was a dry summer. The forest around where Charles' house had become brown and yellow. Most of the leaves were on the ground, not on the trees. It's so hot, Washer complained. I wish we had water to swim in. At least we have enough to drink. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be Papa voice. I guess Papa Appa. At least we have enough to drink, Appa said. Lots of people and animals don't. That night, Washa dreamed of water. She heard a sound in her dreams. Trump, scratch. She woke up with a jump. Her heart went tut tut tut. Washa checked under the bed. Nothing. The sound was quieter. Not quieter, sorry. The sound was quieter now. Spritch, splash, more. Washa tiptoed to the window and looked out. The garden was empty. Spritch, splash, more. The next morning, Washa was sitting in the garden watching a frog when she heard a sound. Scritch, scratch. Appa, did you hear that big water sound? She asked. Nonsense. Go do your homework, said Appa. At lunch, the sound had changed again. Crow, splash, moral. What shall I imagine? What shall I imagine? Enormous claws dragging down the house wall and drawing it into the well. Appa, you must have heard that sound, she shouted. It's just you slurping your slam, Appa said. All day, Washa kept hearing the sound. It kept changing and moving. Spritch, splash, mouth, hair, splash, splash. And all day, Appa heard nothing. Did Appa need a hearing aid? Washa wondered. And was some large water monster hiding in the garden? That night, Washa couldn't sleep. Splish, splash, splish, splash. When the sound, Washa imagined an angry water monster marching to attack her. She had a brilliant idea. The well, she decided to look. It wasn't a monster, it was a leopard cub, wet and hungry. Hello, cub, Washa said. I heard you fall in last night. You must be starving. Moo, said the cub. Come up, cub, Washa said. The cub stayed on its ledge. Washa tried again. Here, cub. Here, cub. The cub didn't move. Washa ran in and got leftovers from dinner. Do leopards like fish? She wondered. Washa arranged a trail of fish. Fish, Washa said softly. Here, cub, dinner. The cub climbed up, grabbed the fish, and darted back into the whale's dark nets. Don't be scared, Washa said. She sat still and waited for the cub. Then she fell asleep. It was morning. The cub climbed out of the whale, eating all the fish. It went to look at the vessel. It ate hungrily. What is this? Appa shouted. The leopard shot up a tree. Ah! Washa yawned. It's a leopard, Papa. Oh, not Papa, sorry. It's a leopard, Appa. It's what in the world? The cub made a soft hissing sound. It's a wild animal. You could go to jail. You could be eaten, Appa shouted. It was stuck in the well, Watcha yelled back, and it was starving. I'm calling the forest department, Appa said. It took the forest department the whole day to get the leopard down from the tree. I don't want to give her my leopard, Watcha whispered to Appa. It's not your leopard, the ranger said. It belongs to the forest. If you keep it, you could go to jail. Exactly, Appa beamed. Not going to jail is Vesha's birthday present this year. The ranger got into her jeep. This is my third wild animal rescue this week. Lots of animals are leaving the forest this summer looking for water, she said. Your well has a lot of water. If you make a pond near it, wild animals can drink safely. Move! The leopard agreed. Bye, cub! Watcha shouted. She waved until the jeep was fully gone. Watcha turned to Appa. Can we make a pond, Appa? She asked. Do your homework, Appa replied. Please, Watcha asked. Does the animals won't fall in the well anymore, and I won't try to kidnap them. Fine, Appa said, but you're doing all the work. Watcha spent the rest of her holiday digging and digging and digging and digging. This is your birthday present, Appa panted. I thought not going to jail was my birthday present, Watcha said. Appa was too tired to reply. The monsoon arrived with dark clouds and thunder. A week later was Watcha's birthday. Happy birthday, Appa said. Binoculars! I thought the pond was my present, Watcha said. Wait, I thought not going to jail was my present. Last present, Appa said. No more. With the binoculars, Watcha could see every part of the pond. It was full. Frogs croaked. A white-headed kite meowed hungry over the water. I can't hear them, Appa sounded sad. I have a present for you, Appa, Watcha said. We're going to see an ear doctor next week. Happy not birthday!